Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. I thank you so much for coming. Today is a unbagging from my very good friend, Redneck Beauty. I will link her in the description down below. Let's see what's up in here. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have to break out the knife. Nope, scissors. I don't want to cut material, so make sure the bag, yeah, there's a hole right there. This is the thin side, no material. We're all ready for this. Oh, red. She got all wrapped up. Oh, look how cute this is. Her logo and her saying. Oh yeah. Let's look at that bad boy. Oh, not in the picture. Yeah, it's badass. Love the shirt color too, red. And then up front, crossing bullets. Oh yeah. Definitely. It looks gold, but it's, I guess it is kind of a gold copper look. It looks silver, but then it looks gold. I don't know exactly what color it is. Looks silver, then it looks gold. Badass. Love it. Oh yes. I don't wear tank tops very much, but when I am rafting down the river, I will have a tank top on. So this will go along just perfect. Party like a redneck. And this is my favorite part. The red RB bullets in the back, so it's pointing at its redneck. Awesome sauce. Love it. Let's get rid of that. And let me pause y'all for a sec. So there's my two newest shirts from Redneck Beauty. I love them. You hold it like that, it looks silver. I think just the light makes it look like the coppery color. So I'm going to show you guys now is some stuff I've gotten in the past from her. So let me slide this to the side a little bit. And I have one of her camouflage hats. And then my very favorite everyday wear hat. And we have at it peaches. And we have my blood type is redneck. And then we have fuck you, Cancer. So this shirt and this hat she sent to me when she first started making her merch and says, hey, tell me what you think about it. And I've been hooked ever since. This shirt I'm going to show you here, this is the very first shirt I ever bought from her. This was back when she was using Teesprings, and Teesprings was a joke, so she started making her own stuff. And everything here, besides this gray fuck you shirt, has been made by her. All of it. This, that, and that. It's all by her. This was just a company that she was going through. So, if you want some badass, let me get some badass merchandise, like what I have right here, go get you some. Redneckbeauty.com. You will not be disappointed. I need to put my hat back on because my hair is getting in my face. And this is my favorite hat. Red, I don't know where you got this hat at, but it's a sweat cap. I love it. Like, my all-time favorite everyday hat right now. So, if you have any more like it, let me know. I could use another. Thank you all for watching so very much. And I hope you all have well, it looks completely different underneath that light. A fabulous day, night, whenever it may be when you're watching. Yep. Top notch. Double thumbs up for me, Redneck Beauty. Love it. As always, go check out my ride or die chick here on YouTube, Redneck Beauty. She's awesome. You will not be disappointed. Peace, y'all.